I decided to study here the minute I came here. I fell in love with the place. The town is beautiful and the university is just amazing.
Well, I came for the open day and I got lost as well, and there was like 3 people that I asked on the way where the university was, and everyone was really friendly, so I kind of just got drawn to it.
I thought I wanted to go to a big city university, but I've actually been really happy in a smaller place.
Coming to Aberystwyth is such a safe place. In Cardiff I wouldn't dare to walk, home alone at night. To Aber I'm quite comfortably, walking, home at night.
The teachers are so friendly and so sort of accessible. They give you enough freedom so that you don't feel like you're sort of being told exactly what to do all the time.
Personally, because I'm from Shropshire, I'm about 2.5 hours away, and I didn't even know a single thing about Aberystwyth, and I came for the open day. I just fell in love. Like I said, we went straight down to the beach, I walked round, smelled the sea air, had a look round, it was nice and sunny, and I just knew I wanted to come here.
I really enjoyed being able to kind of share the enthusiasm for the uni and hopefully try and sort of enlighten people and convince people to come here next year.